Hey guys, welcome back to Dom's workshop, and this our second bedroom renovation. This was our son's room, and now that he's moved away, we've redecorated and made it more modern and more contemporary. We're doing this series on a budget, so we'll be reusing as much as we can. In this case, we're going to be reusing the bed, but all the timber parts we're going to repaint white to match the new colour scheme. We're also going to be replacing the old-fashioned door handles with something more modern. We're using some brushed metal. We've got too much timber, so we're going to be painting over the timber doors. We're also going to be putting in a new ceiling fan and some LED ceiling lights.
For the styling of this room, we were inspired by one of my cockatoo watercolour paintings. It's got lovely purples and greys and blues in it, so hopefully everything that I've chosen will work together well.
So let's go back in time and we'll show you where we started. So this is back in 2001. This was, I think, one of the very first nights we spent in the home. As you can see, it's not finished. So here's the bedroom now, fully empty of all furniture. We've basically got the old timber doors, the walls we've patched in a couple of places. We've got this old horrible creamy coloured walls, and below the timber we've got that darker cream. The timber floors we still love, they're still in good condition. So the first thing we need to do is clean down the walls with some sugar soap. Do a little bit of sanding where the walls are being patched, and just do a little bit of preparation ready for paint. We're going to take those doors off as well, all the doors, repaint them all, including the external ones. We're going for a white colour now to match the walls. Rip out this ugly old fan that looks like it came out of the 80s, and we're going to swap over these downlights so they have to come out too. While Louise was painting doors, I was painting bed frames. So we're going for basically the same colour. We're choosing the all colour, which is white. We just wanted to get rid of that timber look. Day one almost done. So we've managed to get a first coat of paint on all of the top part of the walls. These are my last few roller strokes. It's about 7 o'clock at night and I'm dead tired. So I guess the ceiling is the first thing tomorrow. Alright, mini reveal time. Let's have a look at what we've done so far. So we've basically got the walls, ceiling painted. I think we just need to do one more coat below the timber frame. Bed's all painted. It's looking nice in white. It's going to look great when we put it up. I'm so glad to get to this stage. Everything's painted, ready to go, and we're starting to do a little bit of fit off.
this is one of my favourite watercolour paintings and I haven't been able to part with it. So I thought I'd use it as the colour inspiration for the room. It's got greys and blues and purple hues in it, and I think it's going to look fabulous above the bed.
And talked about the things we hate alike and the weather outside and maybe someday.
Anyway, our son came up for a visit for the weekend, so we went out and had a look at the shops. Had a bit of a wander, and then on the way home we decided to pick up our framed painting, ready to get put up in the bedroom.
Maybe listen to the radio, singing all the words of songs that we don't even know.
And who doesn't like unwrapping?
Hey, another
For some reason, this job seemed to go a lot quicker than the last room. I think we took about 6 weeks with that one, and this one we were over in 3 weekends. And time to put on the finishing touches. I love this part. Time for some tunes.
Grandmaster, check casher. You two-step, I'm 2 steps past ya. Got a prime fam, nobody asked ya. I'm in my prime, you are not a factor. Your man's debonair, call me Fred Astaire. What you not aware? Souls everywhere. You try and go global, I'm already there. Go to London, catch me on the telly there. I got an A in physics, I've been scientific. I got a passport, I've been flying with it. I've been rocking shows, they've been buying tickets. I've been living that life, they've been trying to live it. I'm doing it, I'm doing it. I'm there already, are you ready to go? I'm doing it, I'm doing it. I'm there already, are you ready to go? Hey.
I'll go.
Get ready to roll, quick,
I'll follow.
Get your cameras out, quick,
I'm so ready to fly, so let's take to the sky. Let's go.
Get ready to roll, quick,
Let's go.
Sayer, newsmaker, trailblazer, rule breaker. Got my city on lock, I'm the new mayor. Went to school, but I move like a gangster. Your man's debonair, call me Fred Astaire. What you not aware? Souls everywhere. You try and go global, I'm already there. Go to Tokyo, yo, I'm heavy there. Y'all going that way, I go the opposite. I've been in politics, DC marching it. I've been copping it, New York shopping it, Wall Street stocking it, worldwide rocking it. I'm doing it, I'm doing it. I'm there already, are you ready to go? I'm doing it, I'm doing it. I'm there already, are you ready to go? Hey.
I'll go.
Get ready to roll, quick,
I'll follow.
cameras out, quick,
So let's take to the sky. Let's go.
hey.
Let's go.
Risk taker, game changer. I make deals, don't do me no favors. I ain't scared to ask for more paper. You probably worth more than whatever they paid ya. Your man's debonair, call me Fred Astaire. What you not aware? Souls everywhere.
And as the sun was setting, we're putting on the final touches, ready for the big reveal. Just wait and see.
I've been had a spouse, we been bought a house. You can walk it out, nothing left to talk about. If you ready to go, call it out.
Oh, it looks so nice. You like it?
And there it is. 3 weekends of hard work, a lot of effort in styling, and Louise really does have good taste, and she's an awesome painter. And just to give you a bit of context, here's the before and the after. If you missed our first video, please go back and watch it, because in that video we introduce our home to you and describe exactly what we're going to do in future.
So make sure you go and watch it because it's worth watching.
Also, if you like our videos, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button below, and we'll see you next time. Was that alright?
I hope so. You said subscribe a bit funny though.
Oh, say it again then.
Yeah? Good?
Yeah, that'll do.
Okay. So just say it first. If you missed our first video,
If you missed our first video,
make sure you go back and watch it
because
we introduce our home to you
and tell you what we're going to be doing.
Yes, and it's worth watching.
You can say that.
Well,
and it's worth watching.
Okay. And then what are you going to say after I say and it's worth watching?
Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button.
Yep. And we'll see you in the next video.
We'll see you in the next video.
We can do that.
Okay, we can do
Okay.
that.
So we introduce our home to you.
Yep.
And we show you what we're going to be doing with it.
Okay. If you missed our first video, make sure you go back and watch, because in this video we introduce our home to you and we describe what we're going to do with it in future.
So it's worth watching, so make sure you watch it.
Please make sure you subscribe.
Do that again because I was looking at myself. Okay, go.
When you're ready.
And action. Action.
Oh, that's so good.
Take two.
Okay, go. And look really surprised. Ready?
And action.
Action.
No, you were surprised too quickly.
Oh my god.